The United Arab Emirates is a land where futuristic ambition meets timeless desert beauty. Made up of 7 distinct emirates, the UAE blends deep-rooted Bedouin heritage with bold modern ambition, seen in everything from record-breaking skyscrapers and luxury resorts. Visitors can explore the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, experience the grandeur of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, and venture into the rolling red dunes of the Dubai desert. Navigating the contrast between ultra-modern cities and timeless desert is key to the country's character, and there are numerous ways to experience both, from haute cuisine to a traditional desert safari. The UAE stands as one of the Middle East's most captivating and diverse destinations. Here's a look at the best places to visit in UAE. Number 10. Dubai Marina. Voted one of the 50 coolest neighborhoods in the world by the global editors of Time Out, Dubai Marina is not only one of the city's favorite social destinations for sun-soaked beach days and nights out, but also has community feel, which makes it popular among young professionals and families alike. Dubai Marina is a waterfront city, the emerald green waters framed by some of the tallest, not to mention some of the most architecturally impressive, residential towers in the world. Upscale yachts cruise through the large man-made marina, where activities range from jet skiing to skydiving, and just next door is Jumeirah Beach Residence, a neighborhood in its own right and the gateway from Dubai Marina to the beach. One of the best things to do at Dubai Marina is to explore the walkway that surrounds the water. The fully pedestrianized loop is around 7 kilometers long, making for a great way to complete your daily step count. Number 9. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Located in Abu Dhabi, is one of the most breathtaking places of worship in the world and a symbol of the UAE's cultural and spiritual identity. Completed in 2007, the mosque was built to honor Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founding father of the nation, and reflects his vision of unity, peace, and tolerance. Its architecture blends influences from across the Islamic world, featuring towering marble domes, elegant minarets, and a vast courtyard adorned with intricate floral mosaics. Inside, visitors are greeted by dazzling chandeliers made with millions of Swarovski crystals and the world's largest hand-knotted carpet, crafted by hundreds of artisans. Capable of hosting more than 40,000 worshippers, the mosque glows beautifully at night, reflecting off its surrounding pools. With its serene atmosphere, exquisite craftsmanship, and profound symbolism, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque stands as a masterpiece of modern Islamic architecture and a must-see landmark in the UAE. Number 8. Dubai Desert Safari is one of the city's most thrilling and iconic experiences, inviting visitors to step beyond the skyscrapers and into the wild beauty of the Arabian desert. The adventure usually begins with dune bashing, skilled drivers navigating 4x4 vehicles over rolling sand dunes, creating an exhilarating roller coaster ride across the golden landscape. As the sun sets, the desert transforms into a breathtaking panorama of fiery colors, perfect for photos and quiet moments alike. Safaris often include camel rides, sandboarding, and encounters with falcons, offering a taste of traditional Bedouin life. It's an all-in-one experience that includes adventure, food, and entertainment, usually lasting about 6 to 7 hours. Number 7. Dubai Miracle Garden is a dreamy explosion of color in the middle of the desert, where over 150 million flowers shape the world's largest natural floral paradise. Every corner feels like stepping into a living fairy tale. Heart-shaped arches blooming with roses, giant floral sculptures of animals and castles, and the iconic life-size Emirates A380 covered entirely in blossoms. The air smells sweet, the paths are vibrant, and each turn reveals another unbelievable display of creativity. It's the kind of place that feels surreal, magical, and absolutely unforgettable, proving that in Dubai, even the desert can bloom into something extraordinary. Number 6. Palm Jumeirah. One of Dubai's most distinctive landmarks is a man-made island shaped like a giant palm tree stretching into the Arabian Gulf. Completed in the early 2000s, it stands as a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of Dubai's ambition to reshape the coastline into something extraordinary. Palm Jumeirah has played an important role in the development of Dubai. Over 10,000 people live there, and lots more visit. You can find all sorts of places to live, including apartments and houses, as well as shops and other facilities. Visitors can stroll along the scenic boardwalk, relax on pristine beaches, or admire views of the island from the monorail or by boat. Blending innovation, luxury, and beachfront beauty, Palm Jumeirah feels like a modern oasis, a signature example of Dubai's imagination brought to life. Number 5. Burj Al Arab. Rising from its own man-made island off Dubai's coastline is one of the most iconic and luxurious hotels in the world. Designed to resemble the billowing sail of a traditional dhow, it stands as a symbol of Dubai's bold ambition and futuristic vision. Since its opening in 1999, the hotel has redefined extravagance with its two-story suites, gold leaf interiors, and towering atrium, one of the tallest on Earth. Guests arrive in style, whether by Rolls-Royce helicopter or a private bridge leading to the island. Inside, every detail reflects opulence, from the vibrant interiors inspired by the elements to world-class dining venues like Al Muntaha, offering panoramic views over the Arabian Gulf. Surrounded by turquoise waters and illuminated brilliantly at night, the Burj Al Arab isn't just a hotel, it's a global symbol of luxury, architecture, and Dubai's signature flair for the spectacular. Number 4. The Dubai Mall is a flagship luxury destination and one of Dubai's most iconic shopping centers. Home to flagship stores of the world's biggest fashion brands, it offers direct access to 2 5-star hotels, Kempinski Hotel and Sheraton, as well as the Dubai Metro located in the heart of downtown Dubai. Is more than just a shopping center, it's a world of its own. This multi-level shopping mall features over 630 retail outlets, 80 luxury stores, and 250 flagship stores, along with more than 100 restaurants and cafes. It also provides 7,900 parking spaces for visitors' convenience. The Dubai Mall is not just about shopping, it's home to Ski Dubai, the region's first indoor ski resort, and Vox Cinemas, the largest cinema complex in the Middle East. With more than 40 million visitors each year, it remains one of Dubai's premier destinations for entertainment, dining, and world-class retail experiences. Number 3. Burj Khalifa. Soaring 828 meters into the sky, is the tallest building in the world and the ultimate symbol of Dubai's ambition and innovation. Completed in 2010, this architectural masterpiece dominates the city's skyline, shimmering like a needle of glass and steel. Its design draws inspiration from Islamic geometry and the desert's natural forms, creating a structure that is both futuristic and elegant. Visitors can ride one of the world's fastest elevators to the observation decks on the 124, 125, or 148 floors, where panoramic views stretch across Dubai's skyscrapers, coastline, and vast desert. At its base, the Burj Khalifa anchors downtown Dubai, surrounded by the Dubai Mall, the Dubai Fountain, and bustling plazas. More than just a skyscraper, the Burj Khalifa is a global icon, a testament to engineering brilliance and Dubai's vision to reach for the extraordinary. Consider visiting during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and be aware of the prohibited items list before your visit. Number 2. Museum of the Future. Located along Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai, is one of the city's most striking and innovative landmarks, a bold vision of what lies ahead for humanity. Opened in 2022, the building itself is a masterpiece, an elegant torus-shaped structure clad in stainless steel and illuminated with flowing Arabic calligraphy that represents poems about the future. Inside, the museum offers immersive, interactive experiences that explore themes like space exploration, sustainable living, artificial intelligence, and the relationship between humans and technology. Each floor feels like stepping into a different world, from futuristic laboratories to imagined societies of tomorrow. Rather than displaying traditional artifacts, the Museum of the Future invites visitors to think, experiment, and imagine what our next century could look like. Number 1. Sharjah. Known as the cultural capital of the UAE, blends heritage and modern life with restored souks, rich museums, and the traditional heart of Sharjah, alongside contemporary spots like Al Majaz waterfront and Al Noor Island. The city is deeply committed to preserving Emirati culture through its festivals, libraries, and educational centers. It's also a major hub for F1 H2O powerboat racing, hosting the annual World Championship on Khalid Lagoon, where thousands enjoy free high-speed catamaran races and family-friendly activities supported by the Sharjah Commerce and Tourism Development Authority.